Hello everyone, I am Prince from Cybersoft Play. In this video, I'll show you how to unbox and set up the HP Smart Tank 515 wireless all-in-one printer. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. After we have removed all the supplies from the box, we can see they provide you black refill, 3-color refills and reference guides and other stuffs. At first, remove all the blue strips from rear and front of the printer. Next, plug the power cable and press the power button. Printer might take some time to initialize, and make sure to turn on the printer before you fill the tanks. Next, fill the tanks with spill-free refill bottles without squeezing the bottles, and close the front door. After that, place the black color and tricolor cartridges. You can connect the printer to an existing wireless network, or you can use Wi-Fi Direct. In here, I am using the Wi-Fi Direct method to check the quality of the color printing. You can turn on or off wireless capabilities by pressing the wireless button. If this mark appeared when you pressing the wireless button, it means Wi-Fi Direct is on. If you need Wi-Fi Direct password and other network connection information, just press the information button. And the other best thing is you can set up and manage your HP printer directly from the HP Smart app. You can print copy, scan and share files directly from the app. Finally, I want to say, please read the setup guide, reference guide and other notes to get in touch with error codes, indicators and other best practices to keep your printer safe. So that's it guys, it was a quick unboxing about the HP Smart Tank 500 series. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel for more like these videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.